Hey guys, let's take a break from all that meat from all the holiday gatherings. Let's make paksiw na isda. Today I'll be using pompano. You can use any type of fish that you prefer. Making this is very easy, very straightforward. We basically combine everything in the pot and bring everything to a boil. So we will start with garlic, onions, and ginger. Add a bunch of peppercorns. A few pieces of bay leaves. A little bit of salt. A little bit of patis, a little bit of fish sauce. We're using even amount of vinegar. So about a cup and a half of vinegar and a cup and a half of water. Here's our water. Let's turn our heat on. So in Filipino cooking, anytime we use vinegar, you don't want to stir the pot until it actually boils. So we'll give this a few minutes. Alright guys, our paksiw na has been simmering for a good 15 minutes. Maybe a little longer. So instead of mixing it, this is the technique that I'm using because I want our fish to stay intact. So you just want to basically rock your pot back in a circular motion so all the ingredients gets mixed up. Let's also give it a taste and see if we need to adjust our seasonings. Alright, so just a little bit of salt that we're adding. And a little bit of Majic Sarap. This is optional. If you guys don't want to use this, you don't have to. Alright, now we can add our vegetables. I'm using eggplants and bitter melon today. Here's our bitter melon, our ampalaya. I'm adding extra vegetables because the last time we made this, I wanted more vegetables. So this time, I'm putting a lot. I'm also adding a few jalapeno peppers. Alright, let's put our lid on and give this a few minutes. Alright guys, our paksiw here is finished. You know, every time I eat paksiw na isda, it makes me so happy because it's that delicious. We don't make this a lot, so whenever we make it, we really enjoy it. The perfect bite. Delicious. Paksiw never gets old. The perfect bite. So good. Alright guys, if you want to follow this recipe, just look through my description. I'll leave all the information there, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the heart or like button, okay? By doing that, it really motivates me to create all these cooking videos. You guys take care now, okay? See you again. Bye-bye now.